This is Ghanaian red, a delicious stew made from black-eyed peas that's packed with flavour and served with plantain. So you want to start off by soaking about 2 cups of black-eyed peas in water for about 45 minutes. In the meantime, I start prepping my ingredients. So here I've got about 7 medium tomatoes that I'm just chopping in half. I also add in a Scotch bonnet pepper. I include about half of a medium brown onion, a couple cloves of garlic, and also some ginger. Now this is all going to get chucked in the blender and blended down nice and smoothly, and essentially this is going to form our tomato base for our stew. Now this stew is made with palm oil, so I use about 1 tablespoon of palm oil, a little bit of vegetable oil which is just slightly healthier, and then I start by sauteing some red onions for a few minutes. Once those have cooked down a little bit, you want to add in your tomato mix, season it with 1 seasoning cube, some shrimp powder as well, and then you want to just let that cook away until it reduces, so that could take about 15 to 20 minutes. Once you've got it like this, feel free to add some water if you think it needs a bit more liquid, and then you want to add in some smoked mackerel pieces. Now this is all going to break apart in the tomato stew, but it's just going to add a bit of depth to the flavour. Then you want to start to add back your black-eyed peas. You can see that I've soaked them to a point whereby I can crush them in between my fingers. And you just want to add that in bit by bit, and also some salt or all-purpose to taste. You can let that simmer together for another 10 minutes, and then you should have your delicious red, this delicious bean stew that you see here. It works best with plantain, and that is also the most authentic way to enjoy red. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.